Hello guys, this is Alex, and when we first got our Wi-Fi internet, our Windows says that Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration. So I went through couple of YouTube videos. They all give you good suggestions, and here's one that might work for you. Who knows? And it's just a simple one. That's what I did. I did a reset. Depending what kind of router you have, your button might be in a different place. Mine is in the bottom. So I just did the reset, and it worked for me. So guys, hope it's gonna work for you. You do the reset, and your Wi-Fi connects. Yes, that's what I want.